What's the meaning of cannibal? Cannibal. Cannibal.
Cannibal. Cannibal. The word cannibal refers to a person who eats the flesh of other human beings. It is considered taboo and illegal in most societies. Cannibalism has been practiced in various cultures throughout history for various reasons, such as ritualistic purposes or survival in times of famine. However, it is generally regarded as morally repugnant and psychologically disturbing. Consuming human flesh can lead to serious health risks, as it can transmit diseases and parasites. It is important to note that cannibalism is not accepted nor condoned in modern society.